Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to view photos uploaded by the owner on Google Maps website. Open your favorite browser. Go to google.com/maps. Wait for the map to load completely. Locate the search bar at the top left corner of the screen. Type the name or address of the place you are interested in. Press enter. The map will instantly zoom in to your preferred location. A red pin will appear on the map marking the place. In the left sidebar, you can find more details about this place. Scroll down to the section labeled Photos and Videos. You will see a preview grid of photos and thumbnails. Click on any photo to open it in the photo viewer. You will now enter a full screen gallery mode. At the top of the sidebar, you will see different tabs. Switch between the tabs to view latest photos, videos, street view and more. Look for the tab labeled by owner. This tab shows you images uploaded by the owner of that place. This is how you can view photos uploaded by the owner on Google Maps website. Thank you for watching.